So this is the purple clitoral peas flower. We use it for dye, tea. It has a lot of beneficial factors, and you usually pick them and dry them. So put them in hot water, but I usually get the one that's already dried from the tree. I mean, not tree, the vines. They're pretty, and I put them in glass jars. There's always pot. It blooms year around. That's why I love this thing. And we use it for food coloring on our food, so it's more natural. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the tea. It's very simple. It doesn't have to be dried. I already picked it up, dried already. So I left the stem on. Some people like to just take only the flowers and take off the green part, but hey, it's chlorophyll and I love it. I guess I'll use all this. And once the water starts boiling, I'll just pour it in. Water doesn't need to be so hot, just enough to extract the color and the medicinal purpose out of it. So that should be enough. And you just let it sit. So it's going. Let's stir it up a little bit. The longer you leave it on, the potent it is. It turns more deeper color and less water. But mainly I add a lot of water. You could just add to this much water and it'd be more concentrated and deep. But I'll add more water because it's mainly to hydrate myself. You also make a tinctures out of this. Just mix with alcohol and the dried buds and keep it closed up for 3 months, like how I have with my jackfruit. This is like probably 2 weeks, a week. I would say this is a week of extracting, and this is from yesterday. So like probably every 2 days to 3 days, I come and stir it up and close up again. I put up here is just a plastic bag I fill with water, and I put it inside to trap out the air, so less contamination. Because since there's a gap, I need to get more vodka, but I like this 6 distill one, so I have to go get that today later on. Okay, this didn't take long. It was only 5 minutes extracting already, and look, the color changed too. By the time I finish getting ready to go to work, it's going to be this deep indigo color. Just mix it with lemon or lime juice and some honey or agave or any cane sugar, anything you got. If I was juicing my cane sugar, if I was juicing sugar cane, then I would put that juice in here. Be delicious. Okay, this is about 15 minutes. And it's like really nice dark color. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. I should cut, well, once that's strained and everything, I'll put some lime juice and a little agave in it. And I'll slice up blueberry and make that into a drink. Okay. Finally, it's been sitting for a while, and look how dark it is. So I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice on it. I'm going to use this chocolate stevia for less calories. Those who are concerned about that. If I could open this. Babe. There we go. And I put some the pure extract honey on it. Do like a couple drops. And I love my agave. Just strip it more evenly. because it's already liquid. So just everything by sight. And just pour it over. Woo! But people who know me know that I'm not graceful. I'm so far from it. Okay, so now I just stir it up with ice. Look how pretty that color is. It's like purple. Gorgeous. Ooh, that's refreshing. Sap. Does that mean delicious? Sap lies. Very delicious. The difference between the color. Look how deep that is, and when you dilute it up and mix with water and ice, it just turns into this beautiful purple color.